All right, so this is another demo of the free kit. Y'all can get this at thecyclekit.com. 100% free, no catches or whatever. So basically, I just took a sample, right? This is sample. And all right, I just took that, looped it up, put some drums to it. Very simple, put a bass line, whatever. But I want y'all to notice something. If you notice here, and there's a vocal inside of the sample. So let me turn the main sample down. Let's see. Now, so what I did was I just basically I went to the first layer, I cut it back, and I reversed it. And so that's how we got that. All right, so let's back up. Let's turn this back up so you can. All right, so turn it down. I'm gonna turn the sample off. All right, so let's turn that back. All right, so that's basically what I did. I used drums or whatever. I used kick 9 and snare 10, and I used basically all the hi-hats in the free kit. And I think that's it. All right, so that's it. Head to thecyclekit.com. Get this kit, is 100% free. And while you're there, pick up something, anything. I appreciate the support. Love, always love, and respect.